Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant garden, there lived a diligent and dedicated gardener named Jacob. Jacob was known throughout the land for his green thumb and his ability to cultivate the most beautiful and bountiful gardens. He spent his days tending to the flowers, trimming the hedges, and nurturing the plants with love and care. One day, as Jacob was tending to his garden, he stumbled upon a magnificent lion who had wandered into the garden. The lion appeared to be injured and it was in need of help. Instead of being afraid, Jacob approached the lion with kindness and compassion. He tended to the lion's wounds and offered him food and water. The lion, grateful for Jacob's kindness, vowed to protect the garden and its inhabitants from any harm. From that day, the lion became a loyal guardian of the garden, patrolling its borders and keeping away any threats that dared to approach. As time passed, the garden flourished under Jacob's care and the lion's protection. People from all over the kingdom came to admire the beauty of the garden and the unlikely friendship between the gardener and the lion. One day, a group of hunters came to the garden, intent on capturing the lion and taking him away. Jacob pleaded with the hunters to spare the lion, explaining how he had become a vital part of the garden's ecosystem. But the hunters were determined to capture the lion, and they refused to listen to Jacob's pleas. In a desperate attempt to save his friend, Jacob stood in front of the lion, facing the hunters with courage and determination. The lion, seeing Jacob's bravery, roared loudly and laughed at the hunters, driving them away from the garden. After the hunters had fled, Jacob turned to the lion and thanked him for his bravery. The lion in turn thanked Jacob for his unwavering friendship and loyalty. The two friends embraced their bond stronger than ever. The moral of the story is that the true friendship knows no boundaries. It can transcend even the most unlikely of circumstances. Jacob and the lion's friendship is a testament to the power of kindness, compassion, and mutual respect. It teaches us that when we treat others with love and understanding, we can create unbreakable bonds that withstand any challenge.